World's first, world's only technology, diverse joint configurations can precisely produce diverse products through simple input of the desired type. Any process, whether with dovetail, box, tenon, or tongue and groove joints, is made simple, fast and precise processing. Automatic calculation of the values through simple setting and selection of the desired type. Can produce diverse joint configurations through the system's simple settings. Settings can vary according to the wood thickness and breadth. With non-complex manipulation, you can produce products that feel and look like handmade designs made by professionals. Processes dovetail designs of different sizes that share the same characteristics with handmade products. Shorter processing period and high-quality joint configuration. Fast and easy bit replacement can be used for diverse bit processing. Various shapes that were initially only possible through manual work can now be simply and quickly processed. Easy and precise wood fixing device for fast and precise processing. Provides a safe cover for users' protection. A safety device automatically stops operation once the cover is opened. World's first, world's only technology, diverse joint configurations can precisely produce diverse products through simple input of the desired type.